Good morning, viewers. In the course of Electrical Estimating and Contracting MSBT code 22627, welcome to the program of Electrical Engineering Unit 2, Domestic and Commercial Installation. Here we will see the first subtopic, Residential Building Service Connection, teach by Mr. Sachin Radekar, HOD, Electrical Engineering. Course outcome and the learning outcome. Course outcome is prepare estimates of domestic and commercial electrical installation. Learning outcome is draw electrical installation plan and single line diagram for the given residential building electrification. In this slide, we will see the different factors for selection of wiring. First is initial cost, it should be economical. Second is durability, it must be able to withstand wear and tear due to the weather. Third, safety from fire, it should be free from risks of fire as far as possible. Fourth, mechanical protection, it must provide good mechanical protection to the cables. Fifth, permanency, the wiring must not be affected by the action of weather, fumes, dampness, chemicals, etc. Appearance, it is an architecture point of view. Accessibility, it should be easy to extend or repair the wiring. Life, the system adopted should have good life. Maintenance cost, it should be low. So तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा है कि वायरिंग सिलेक्ट करते वक्त आपको ये डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स कंसिडर करना है. इनिशियल कॉस्ट, ड्यूरेबिलिटी, सेफ्टी फ्रॉम फायर, mechanical protection, permanency, appearance, accessibility, life, and the maintenance cost. So service connections are classified the overhead service connection and underground service connection. Then what do you mean by service connection? It is the input conductor or wire which is carried out from supply company, authorities, pole to consumers main board or premises. तो सर्विस कनेक्शंस का मीनिंग है कि जो कंडक्टर और वायर सप्लाई कंपनी के पोल के ऊपर से कंज्यूमर के प्रीमाइसेस के मेन बोर्ड पे आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सर्विस कनेक्शन. तो ये सर्विस कनेक्शन का क्लासिफिकेशन है ओवरहेड सर्विस कनेक्शन एंड अंडरग्राउंड सर्विस कनेक्शन. दिस इज द ओवरहेड सर्विस कनेक्शन. Here we will see the line terminal, neutral terminal and the earth terminal. This is the guard wire which will separate the conductor from each other. This is the shackle insulator. This is your earth wire and this is the GI pipe which is connected to the house, and this phase and neutral is come through this GI wire to the meter board of the premises, and this is the stay wire on which this GI wire is connected. So this is the overhead service connection. Every consumer premises is provided with either overhead service connection or underground. Mostly connections are provided on overhead service connections, but in thickly populated area it is provided by the underground service connection. Here the wiring diagram is shown: phase terminal, neutral terminal and the earth terminal. Firstly, that service wire is come to the energy meter. This is the single line diagram, and then it is come to the main switch of 5 ampere 250 volt. Then it is connected to the switch board according to the requirement of consumer. So this is your wiring diagram. Phase is always connected to the switch, and from this switch different appliances are connected. This is given the two socket board of 6 ampere or 15 ampere. Neutral is directly connected to the equipment. Here you can see, and this neutral is always given to the neutral of the socket. And this earth terminal is shown dotted line, earth wire is shown in dotted line, and this earth wire is connected to the earth point of the socket. So this is the typical wiring diagram of consumer premises. Schedule of material for overhead service connection. In this table, we will see the schedule of material and its approximate quantity. These quantities may vary depending upon the residential premises. First is 2.5 square mm 2-core PVC insulated cable or insulated wire. Approximate length is the 15 meter. Second is S-shaped GI pipe 15 mm diameter near about 5 meter quantity. Then third one is earth wire 8 SWG 15 meter. Fourth is meter board 1 number. Fifth is stay wire 3 meter. Stay insulator 1 number. Cement, sand 1 bag each. Pipe clamp 3 numbers. GI pipe 1 number. Saddle for pipe fitting lump sum. Screw required for pipe fitting lump sum as per requirement. Earthing sundry. Earthing plate 1 number. Nut bolt 2 numbers, and miscellaneous as per the requirement. So these are the materials required for installing the overhead service connection. So summary of today's lecture: we learn overhead service connections, construction, the working of overhead service connection, its wiring diagram and the consumer premises, and application. Application is to provide the supply at the consumer premises. This is the program outcome achieved through this lecture. The right indicates the PO achieved by this lecture. So thank you very much for listening this lecture. Happy e-learning.